Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go to the rec room. Inside the rec room, we went straight to the prizes area to load our bands. There are many items and stuffies. There are pencils, guns, ball, and many more. There's Transformers games and a Taj Mahal game. There's a tower ticket machine, Hot Wheels, and many racing games. You can drive on it. We tried the Hot Wheels game and it was exciting. There's also a Mario Kart game perfect for all ages, and it makes the place bright and lively. Oh look, there's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle game too. And the House of the Dead game, creepy. Look at this game, the Halo Fire Team Raven. The seats and guns are really cool. On the side, there's a soccer game play. It's really nice and new. A snaky ticket machine. It's really famous. The snake game on phones. There's a blocks breaker. We tried waterfalls. It's fun. I like the famous game in the 90s. People will also love that there are many pinball machines. Look at this huge screen of Tomb Raider game. It's so colorful. That is the Wheel of Fortune game. This game is very challenging. The pin setter where you should make the bottles stand so you can have many tickets. Since I love soccer, I tried the soccer game machine where you can actually kick the ball. Daddy tried the big buck game. There's a Rabbids Hollywood game too. Controlling on how you can push the truck on the Jurassic World game so you can win the ticket. Next is a really fun game, which is the Down the Clown game. We just kept on throwing balls on the clown. Another fun game is the beanbag toss, where you have to shoot the beanbag on the lighted holes. Inside the rec room, there's a food corner called the shed. There are burgers and fries and many options of drinks. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.